Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to show lock screen notification in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see privacy. Press on this. Now scroll down. In this option, you can see here notifications on lock screen. You have to click on this. If you want to show your notification on your lock screen, then you just have to set here show all notification content. That's it. So this is how to show lock screen notification in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.